Hi, I'm Kelly. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to teach you how to properly care for your skin today. Now we're going to apply some eye treatment to the eye area. It's really important that you take care of your under eye area. It's the thinnest skin on your entire body, so it's really susceptible to any environmental damage, moisture loss, and premature aging. It's usually the first spot on your face where you start to see fine lines and wrinkles. So we're going to take our eye cream, we're going to use our ring finger because that'll exhibit the least amount of force on the eye area. We're going to pat it around the orbital bone really gently. We never want to pull at the eye area. And this eye cream will keep that moisture barrier nice and intact, so it will prevent your collagen and elastin underneath from snapping. So it'll help to prevent fine lines and wrinkles from forming. It also helps to stimulate blood flow in the eye area. A lot of times dark circles can be caused just from blood lying really close to the thin tissue that's around the eye area. And it also will soothe and decongest any puffiness.